making the Super Saiyan 4 Goku from Dragon Ball Daima. Now, I feel like some people are aware that Dragon Star or whoever made those Dragon Ball figures, they did make the Super Saiyan 4 Goku, the adult one, but they plan to release it somewhere in September. So I figured, why not if I just make my own? I already got Super Saiyan 4 Goku, so let's get to it. So I got the Super Saiyan 4 Goku from eBay, but it did not come with a tail. So later on, when I make the tail, later on I'm gonna show you how I make my own tail. So I got two Gokus, and I first take them apart, and I'm gonna use the Goku from the Dragon Ball Superhero version Goku, and just basically use a Sharpie to mark where should I use my dribble to basically for the tail. I also use my dribble to shorten down the belt loop that he wears. I also use a X-Acto knife to scrape off the excess plastic. Now I'm thinking about repainting the legs and the hip areas, and I simply just mix with orange and yellow and just mix them around and I apply it. Then I use the toothpicks to scrape the excess paint. Once I'm done, I unravel the tape. Next, I use a pen Sharpie and add the marks to the belt loop to be part of Goku's pants. Next, I try using some air dry clay that I got at Target, but it didn't work out. So because it was too thin and flaky, and it will remove easily. So I pick up some new air dry clay that I got from Dollar General, and it works much better. And I basically just sculpt up on the arms and wrists, and also on the chest area. The way I add texture to the fur is either with a toothpick or a X-Acto knife. Then I use some primer paint to paint on the arms and also on his body, and use strawberry paint for the more likely on the body and arms. Then I use this lemonade color paint for his chest, his pecs, and part of his wrists. Then use some blues for his wristbands and some magenta paint for his hair. Then use a toothpick to paint his eyebrows and his eyes. Then I use a pencil to mark where, just for extra details on his pecs. Once all the painting's done, I use a matte Mod Podge and coat it all over the figurine. Then I made his tail by I bought some magenta pipe cleaners, and this is how I did. I fold, twist, and I bend and twist on the end. Then I use some scissors to cut, at least trim it, and twist it, and I made my own tail. Then I used the hands. The hands I used is from my Dragon Ball Z Broly, but his hands were too big, so I used a sticky tack for a way for the hands to stay on. Once I did that, I pull everything together, and we'll see how it turns out. Alright, this is the end of this video. I hope you guys like it, and I did pre-order the new Dragon Ball Daima Super Saiyan 4 Goku, so hopefully you guys like the next video. So make sure you guys like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications. This is Brandon, and I'll see you next week. See ya!